into a maneuver that will throw his plane end over end. This one's called the front.
Yeah, that's right. So that mobile chase car pilot is working nearly as hard as the pilot in the cockpit, making what we call the two-dimensional rejoin, while making those critical inputs to the pilot as they cross the threshold.
Maintenance space, facility purpose-built for flight training, located in Southern California at Bakersfield International Airport. Right now on your phone, you can take a look at all things happening at California Aeronautical University. You can visit them online or their Facebook and social pages. To get there and find all the links, calaero.edu. Cal Aero saves 10 lives.
Ready, it's gonna drop. See, this is at a pretty low coverage level 4, so that we can get more dispersal.
Still climbing. What an impressive bird. Preston is quite the taker.
That's right. You notice how short that runway was. Like I mentioned previously, that was about 800 to 1,000 feet, depending upon the wind condition. These airplanes are brand new.
And at this configuration, the C-130 is doing about 110 knots, with flap descended to 70%, and the helicopters doing their best just to stay in position with the C-130.
How awesome is that? Look at that. Coming back again, surprise! The grower!
We can deliver air power anywhere on Earth at any time. Next up is the C-17 Globemaster. That's the workhorse of Air Mobility Command.
Big Galaxy.
And finally, you have the C-5 Galaxy, the largest airlifter in the Air Force. It can hold about 270,000 pounds of cargo, or about 50 tons.
Look at this thing.
What we call Team Oracle. You'll notice right away, these are two very different planes, very different fuel requirements, different interactions with the wind on their wings, but they are sticking close together. Sean D. Tupper commanding the Oracle Challenger 3, taking the lead in this dance. And Jesse Panzer in the extra 300L.
Fast and low. Now streaking up into the sky again. The Bearcat, one of the first two aircraft the Blue Angels flew, going real good. He's going to turn right around into it and then pop out the other side with the burners on. Get ready for it. He's got the sirens going, the lights going, the stacks are lit. He disappears for just a moment And he's going to come out all on fire and ready.
Gaining the quarter miles right here in front of us.
That plane was not going as fast as it could. That's
We'll make the whole world hear us. So throw your hands up high. We're about to show you why they fear us. Here comes the battle cry. Here comes the battle cry.
Will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel 6 executes a precise slow transition and pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity. Rendezvous complete, the diamond will pass before you and exit the flight line to the right.